Got the blues? Just add greens. Hi, I'm nutritionist Zonya Foco. Maybe you've seen me on PBS or read one of my best-selling books, or maybe this is our first time meeting. Either way, I'm super excited to say goodbye, dumpster fire. Hello, inner fire. How? By connecting around my kitchen island in a special 4-part Zoom live stream series called How Greens Fight the Blues. In these 4 power-packed sessions, you'll discover how greens and other foods set you up to better cope with stress, something we're all dealing with these days. You'll also uncover simple, achievable food and recipe swap-outs that science confirms make a true difference in how we feel. I'll show you how to prepare 3 recipes each session, and you'll receive those recipes, plus gain access to 1,000 others at your fingertips. You'll then be on fire to make the most delicious, nutritious comfort foods that your family will rave about. And what about supplements? You'll get the scoop on what you should be taking. We will laugh and learn together in a way that will be fun and interactive, so bring all your questions and comments. It's a live stream series like no other and starts soon. Can't make each one live? No problem. You'll receive the recording the next day to watch or rewatch at your convenience. Hurry to register. It's your ticket to kicking off a truly healthy and happy year.